Hey, you! Would you mind helping me out a little bit here? See, I'm working on this new lemonade recipe and I'm trying to get it just right. So, I was wondering, would you mind tasting it and giving some feedback? You would be doing your fellow neighbor a huge favor and be doing your good deed of the day. Why? Why not? Even if you don't like lemonade, you don't have to drink a lot. Just a sip. Do you not think I can make good lemonade? Do you think I spiked it or something? Do I look like I would do something like that to you? Am I that unworthy of trust? That unworthy of anything? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for bothering you. You will? After all? Thank you. Thank you so much. Again, as I said, just take a good sip and let me know what you think. Too sweet, not sweet enough, whatever to make it better. It tastes weird? Weird how? Not sweet enough? You mean, hey, you don't look so good. Is everything fine? You feel drowsy and dizzy all of a sudden, you say? Why don't you come back to my place? Someone to care for you is just what you need right now. I will take care of you, baby. I will always take care of you. Well. My sleeping beauty has finally decided to wake up. See, you must have somehow caught on to that there was, in fact, something wrong with my lemonade. I was actually getting worried there for a sec. Worried that you wouldn't drink it. But one look at my pleading little eyes and you were all over that lemonade. Gulped it all down, and that weird taste you mentioned, yep, it was in fact spiked. Hey, don't struggle. I said don't struggle. Do you feel that? My hand pressing down on your neck? The stopping of your blood flow and hair? See? If you don't start behaving, things may get a lot worse. Do I make myself clear, darling? Good. Finally behaving. See, I am the one in charge here. You were gagged and blindfolded. Your arms and legs have been tied to my bed. Even if you were able to break free your restraints, this room has been completely secured. Soundproof walls, steel doors with padlocks, tinted, soundproofed, and padlocked windows. Of course, this is all to protect you, darling. Now, no one can get in or out without me allowing it. Hell, if you wanted to get in or out of here, the only way to do is if I let you or if you somehow manage to construct a nuclear. Now, do you see how much I have done and prepared for you? How much I love you? Now, I'm going to take off your gag. You are bound to have a questions by now. Remember, no screaming or fusing. All that would accomplish is to piss me off, and we don't want to anger the boss around here, do we? Alright then, ask away. Why are you here? Baby, you are here because I love you. Have you not been listening? You are here so that I can protect you, keep you safe, keep you from everyone and everything that could hurt you. You are here so I can keep you all for myself. Say, why are you struggling and trying to move away from me? Let's nip this behavior in the bud right here and now. The blindfold is coming off. Don't you fucking dare look away from me! There! I will just grab your face and force your gaze to meet mine. And if you close your eyes, I will just force them open as well. When I want something from you, you will give it to me, or I will take it by force. You belong to me. You are mine, baby. Do I make myself clear? See, I took you because I love you. For months I have followed you, watched you, and loved you. As soon as I saw you, I knew that I had to have you. I knew that I had to make you mine. At first, though, I was going to ask you out normally, but you made me have to take a more drastic route. I saw you talking to some worm the other day, and I just can't have anyone stealing you or taking you away from me. At first, I thought it was enough to dispose of them, but I figured that I should just take you as well to avoid any further risk. In a sense, this is your fault, don't you think? If you hadn't had an eye for someone else, I wouldn't have taken you here. Finally coming to grips with the situation, are we? Falling silent and with fright in your eyes? It sure does seem that way. But don't worry, darling. Now that you are here with me, safe and secure, no one will be able to steal you away, break your heart, or do anything that I don't approve of. Do you realize how lucky you are? For someone to take care of you this much? For someone to own you? You won't even have to go to school or work. I can cook and clean for you, wash you, care for you, and most of all, love you. Here, in my love nest, no, our love nest, you are free from the burden of the outside world. At last, the only thing you will have to think about is how much our love will blossom. Now, why don't I get on top and straddle you? I know you are tied up and can't get away, but then you will be even safer beneath me, safe in my embrace, safe with me. That feel good? Being under me, being in my control, being enveloped by our love? You know, everything about you is just so perfect. But my favorite of all your loving traits is your skin. Your lovely, luscious, lickable skin. Feel that. My tongue tracing hearts beside your ear. You have no idea how much desire and love I have pent up for you. How much need I have for you. I will make you love me as well, no matter how long I have to keep you tied up here. You are mine, baby. Mine forever. Completely and utterly mine. Hey guys, did you enjoy listening? Then what are you waiting for? Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will make more lemonade next time. Also, check out other lemonades on your screen. And don't forget to be kind, but only to good people. Don't be kind to bad people. And love yourself, believe in yourself,